In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn $25 reward from Payoneer. First, make sure you have an active Payoneer account and you can sign in securely. Open your preferred browser and go to myaccount.payoneer.com. Always type the address directly rather than clicking unknown links to avoid phishing. Once the page loads, sign in as you normally do, so you're on your Payoneer home dashboard. Next, look at the top navigation and find the Manage section. Click Manage to open the tools that help you organize your account settings and relationships. This menu is where Payoneer keeps options related to the companies and platforms connected to your account, as well as referral options. From there, choose businesses you work with. This area shows the marketplaces, clients, or business partners linked to your Payoneer profile. It's also a common place to access promotional offers tied to your account. Give the page a moment to load. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, scroll slowly so you don't miss it. Now, select Refer Your Network. This is where Payoneer explains the referral program and provides your personal referral tools. You'll see your unique referral link and details on the conditions to qualify for the reward. Typically, you'll need to have received a minimum amount of funds in your own account before you can start referring, and your referral will need to sign up through your link and reach a specific funding threshold. Funds sent between Payoneer accounts usually don't count toward that threshold. The exact reward amount and requirements can vary by region and time, so read the terms shown on your screen carefully to confirm what applies to you today. A few tips to help you succeed. Share your referral link with people who genuinely need a global payment solution, freelancers, contractors, or businesses that receive international payments. Explain in simple terms how Payoneer can help them and remind them to use your link at sign up so the system tracks the referral. Avoid spamming, stick to personal outreach, your professional network, or your own website and social channels where you already talk about work and payments. Also, keep records of who you shared the link with and when, and periodically check your referral page to track progress and see when rewards are approved. That's it. Visit your Payoneer account, go to Manage, open businesses you work with, and click Refer Your Network to review the current requirements and share your referral link. Follow the on-screen terms, and once the conditions are met, both you and your referral can receive the reward.